Hello again. Here we have my 66702 first group gbrf blue lightning starting up, and we'll be going to pick up some J&A falcon wagons that have been weathered and distressed with ballasting by my good mate Nick Lawrence, who runs Shillingbury, and Twin Falls. And I'll go and get them to pick them up, and you'll get a look at these wagons. I've only got 6 at the moment, but I've got a rake of 20. Getting lights switched off because I'm going to be coupling up. And here she comes. So I've got 6 of these wagons with ballasting. One of them's got brand new ballast, the other's got some assortment bits and pieces just to show that it's being used. I think it's done a fantastic job on them. See, ballast. Let's just give her a stop. As you can see, that's the fresh ballast there, wasn't used. And then the old ballast that's been taken out with some sleepers. And then the other 2. I think he's done a fantastic job. Weathering is really good. Just going to get out to power up, speed off, up the what will be, it's on the down road at the moment. Here we go. Really pleased with these. It's done a fantastic job. So when I get the full rake, it's going to look fantastic. Thanks for watching.